Why myself, I don't have to say. I feel I need to pass on some regards to a friend of mine, Jack. Could be here today because he's halfway between Tasmania and bloody Antarctica. So this is from our friend Jack. Dearest Bryce and Susan, my sincerest apologies for my absence on this, the day of your wedding. Bryce, I'm enough just the horse once. But that's not the end all there. Well, sincerely, these frequent unit rays haven't altered your skin's pigmentations. I'm sure you've got the gore and absolutely gorgeous. When I get back from my big OE, my Uncle Jack, clean weed-tackers running around the show. I was there the night you met. It was in that most romantic of settings, KB's, or for you Southlanders, Kelly Browns. My memory was a bit patchy that night, like coloured the rum. But what I will never forget was the chemistry. Shivers. It was almost as delightful as that Robin Williams character. You know that one from the film Mrs. Doubtfire? But that's not the end of it. Anyway, my initial thoughts were, thank goodness, because Bryce's embarrassing teenage passport was aggressively developing into a disgusting development. But I'm more serious. Jack, Cogsy, Dirty Mike, please. We wish you a life of happiness. And all the best. Like everyone in charge of glasses, the big dog and Susan Sykes.
Yeah! Oh god. You reckon that was fucking terrible. Oi, Cogsy. That sucked.
So that's almost